Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 2023 Infiniti Q50, so let's get started. Although the design is aging, the 2023 Infiniti Q50 makes up for it with impressive power for a competitive price. What kind of car is the Infiniti Q50 2023? The 2023 Infiniti Q50 is a small luxury sports sedan that was launched in 2014. Competition in this segment includes Mercedes-Benz C-Class, Volvo S60, Audi A4, and BMW 3 Series. Despite showing its age, the 2023 Infiniti Q50 balances value and performance, good for a score of 5.6 out of 10. What's new for the 2023 Infiniti Q50? This year, Infiniti is adding up to 3 years of free Infiniti maintenance on new 2023 Q50 sales or leases. The optional illuminated Infiniti grille emblem, previously only available on the red Sport model, is now available on the center sensor trim. Saddle brown leather upholstery is now available in the Luxe setting. Is the Infiniti Q50 a good car? The design of the 2023 Q50 is good, although it still reminds of the old models of the brand, especially the G35. In the red Sport 400 model, the aerodynamics and sports wheels go hand in hand with the performance enhancement. Good for 6 points here. How good is the Infiniti Q50? The NHTSA and IIHS haven't fully tested the 2022 or 2023 Q50 models, so we can't calculate a score. The IIHS provides incomplete data, but it is often labeled good, although there are acceptable and extreme ratings for house fires. Every Q50 comes standard with a surround view camera system, emergency braking, adaptive cruise control and a blind spot monitor. Infiniti Q50 2023 Plan. The 2023 Infiniti Q50 is more expensive this year, but it's definitely better. We evaluate the Infiniti Q50 A6 2023 based on its competitive list of standard features. Which Infiniti Q50 should I buy? The Q50 is available in the Luxe Base, Sensory Center and the top-level Red Sport 400 trims. All three are well equipped, but we prefer the $43,275 Q50 Luxe for its leather upholstery, heated and power-adjustable seats, sunroof, dual-screen infotainment setup and wireless Apple CarPlay. There are also a number of driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control. That's more than you'll get from competitors at the same price. Saddle brown leather upholstery is a new option this year, although it was previously available on the Sensory model. The Sensory model costs $49,425 and includes larger wheels and navigation. How much does the Infiniti Q50 cost in full? The Red Sport 400 and Red Sport 400 AWD top the line at $57,575 and $59,575, respectively. Infiniti Q50 2023 Fuel economy. The 2023 Infiniti Q50 is all about power, not power. Does the Infiniti Q50 run well on gasoline? No. The Q50 requires higher fuel consumption and has a lower EPA rating than its competitors, earning 2 points in our range. The base model is rated for 20 miles per gallon city, 29 highway, and 23 combined. In all drive, those numbers fall to 19/27/22 mpg. The Q50 Red Sport model is rated for a combined fuel economy of 22 miles per gallon. That's not unreasonable considering his power. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And as always, stay tuned for the next one.